The maple tree falling down and dying because of the crazy wind. And here it is, falling on the ground. And here is our tree that broke some more. And there's the other half of the half that broke. And there's the oak tree looks like it's gonna fall.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't have.
And there's Nathan, and there's Isaac, and there's Daddy. That thing's gonna fall on the van. No! The rest of the tree fell down. There's one half, two half, three half. As you can see, our tree is now sprawled all over the yard. Here's our jungle of the yard. As you can see, our driveway's blocked. Now we're going over here. There's one piece of our tree, another piece, and the last piece. That one was the first to go. Then that one. Then this one. And there's Daddy's chainsaw.
We're supervising.
If anyone loses a limb, we're here to help.
We already lost a few limbs. Not helping it.
Yeah, we are. We're amputating. And there's Tom climbing the tree. And Isaac and Nathan. And Daddy. There's Daddy's chainsaw. And there's Isaac and Curtis climbing on the tree. You're doing what? Oh my goodness, what are we going to do with all this sawdust?
What did you say?
Is my passion.
Oh, I thought you said flasher. I was like, what?
I don't like.
Curtis is like, I don't want to appear on TV.
Oh, he'll land on that tree.
Oh, he's already on the tree!
You okay? Want some help, Nate?
Yeah.
Woo! Good job! Curtis taunting little children. And now he stops.
Come on, Curtis, that was really funny.
Chasing the wild Curtis through the woods.
Curtis is like, hee hee, I'm a child of the woods.
We see him! It's a wild Curtis! Hey, no jousting! Wild Curtis is gone, there it is.
Curtis was like on his hands.
Ow!
Wild man.
Oh gosh!
And there's Father sawing.
You should try this. It's like a trampoline.
Until it busts!
Now, see, I don't know if you're fat enough to do that.
Do you have that?
Yeah, Lois, what are you?
Well, seriously, don't mess the tree. It'll be no fun.
Lois, Daddy's chopping it up anyway.
Chopping up that
Tree in our driveway. Isaac almost falling.
You gotta let me try it.
Here's how tall the tree is. You go up, and see there's Nathan, and there's the tree.
Gloves on, guys. That's a good idea.
Lois has the glove on.
Me and you have to try to pick up. Lois got gloves?
Yeah, she
Oh,
does.
she took yours?
Yeah.
He gave them to me.
Take them back. She's a girl.
No, she can have them.
Woo! I made it!
Yay!
Lois is climbing the tree.
Now, help me down.
out there with like my pajamas on, just going, like rocking out. So.
Nathan using the chainsaw.
Let's do it.
Oh!
But hold there.
Back up, Isaac.
There you go. Keep it level. Put it all the way up, yeah.
Nathan, how was your first chainsawing experience? I'm interviewing you.
Huh?
I'm interviewing you.
It was good. It wasn't hard. Except it was heavy on my left arm because I never carry things.
Curtis, how was your first moving wood from a tree experience?
This is my first wood moving experience.
Well, have you ever cut up a tree before?
Yes.
Oh, well, how's your... How many times? What time is this? The 10th?
7.
How was your 7th tree moving experience?
Very good.
That's good.
Much easier than past experiences.
Isaac! I hurt my ankle.
I'm Isaac down.
Oh, you're bleeding. Isaac chainsawing. I have the phone ready in case I need to call 911.
Yeah, but you want to get it closer to the saw.
You might want to move your hand, Daddy.
Right there, there you go.
How's your first chainsawing experience? I think there's children in here.
No, you have to put them on.
I see children.
Put them on, Nasir.
Lois and Nasir's shelter.
Give them the hose. Give the gloves to hose. Stick in my face.
Yay, Nasir, you escaped. Did you have you in jail?
Yeah.
They are in their nest.
You guys built a nest?
I guess. No, don't do anything.
Isaac, the jungle of a yard. If we go over here, you can see that we're getting the tree down. There's the neighbor and Isaac and Daddy. And the driveway is becoming cleared slowly but surely. And is the chainsaw stuck again? If he falls, I'll get it on camera.
Yeah, you videoed him.
What's he doing?
Trying to touch the oak tree.
Okay, if he falls, we have it on camera that it was his fault, not ours.
Oh my, Curtis.
Curtis!
No, he's fine.
He touched it!
Wait, we'll take a picture of it with your foot on it.
He touched the button. He's a Curtis monkey.
How has been your your sawing down tree expedition?
Great.
As you can see, Daddy made great progress. He cleared the driveway mostly.
Help, I'm doing it.
Who called me a hoe?
That's awkward. The Lois is stuck in her nest.
Go help her.
I am. Lois, you're not gonna die.
Pretty good job. I can go the other way. Oh, that's good enough.
I gotta launch.
Isaac, you're so slow.
The clean driveway. And come around here. And I can actually walk into the driveway now. And lots of wood. Go around here. And the yard is slowly but surely becoming a yard again. The tree bundling. Getting it ready for the people to come and pick it up. Curtis is sawing the tree. And Isaac is lying on the tree. Nathan pulling off a branch. Oh, never mind, he stopped. Nathan chopping off a branch. Nathan getting attacked by a branch.